Hello guys, it's Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about MMO Vault. I'm going to be ranking the different vaults here. If you remember my previous video from a while back, I ranked the MMO Finance vaults just based off of risk. But before I talk about the risk for MMO vaults, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you will know when new videos will arrive. But anyway, also don't forget to follow me on Twitter. From time to time I'll post useful resources for you in the world of DeFi. Also, I'm working on my website, which will be cryptojetta.com. You can actually go there now, but I'm still kind of somewhat working on it, so there's not much to see. Also, I talked about BUSD Crops Farmer, which is a high risk project that's on the Binance Smart Chain. If you go to this video right here, which I will have a link in the description to learn more about this. But anyway, let's talk about Mad Meerkat Optimizer. This is the place to go to if you want those juicy APYs, as you can see here. However, I would say that the Vault Optimizer is way more riskier than just the regular MM Finance farms. Let's go to MM Finance. Yeah, I consider this less riskier than the Optimizer vaults. And I made this picture right here showing the low risk, medium risk, and high risk farms. Basically, the high risk farms are just any farms that have native tokens of different projects, ones that's not listed on this picture right here. So what I mean by that is the ones like Savannah MMF, as you can see with these high APYs here, like 5,000, and then the M share token MMF LPs 38,000%. These are very, very high risk vaults to get into. This is more of a degen play. What I mean by that is degen play is like the highest risk that you can get into the world of DeFi. So if you're trying to get into these farms, you either should be a whale, or you should, and then even if you're not a whale, I would invest low liquidity into these type of pools. Even though the liquidity of these, some of these high risk farms are kind of high in the millions, but if you don't want to lose money, well, the thing is, I mean, you can earn money from these high risk vaults, but please expect some impermanent loss. Please expect to potentially lose your money. So alright, so then we go to the medium risk. We have the VVS, MMO, and MMF single vaults right here. Of course, these are non-native tokens pertaining to each project. MMF, that's the official non-native token for the MMF ecosystem here, and then we have the MMO token for the vaults ecosystem here, and then we have the VVS. If you don't know what VVS is, VVS Finance is another project where you can pretty much swap liquidity. Swap tokens to make liquidity. You can also make liquidity here. You can also participate in their farms. pretty much the same thing. I'll probably talk about VVS Finance in another video. It's a well-established project on the Cronos network. But you can also take the single stake in VVS and you can put it in the vaults here to earn 34% APY. Right? So these single staking vaults are medium risk because they're non-native tokens. Now we have some liquidity pool tokens that's also medium risk. We have Wrap Ethereum, BTC, which are two non-native tokens, but they're very volatile. Then we have MMF USDC. One half of this is non-native, the other half is native, which poses some impermanent loss risk. And the only reason why it poses some impermanent loss risk is because of this non-native token right here. Whereas USDC is normally pegged to the dollar. Normally. Sometimes it might drop down to 99 or 98 cents, but this still right here poses some risk to this pool when it comes to impermanent loss. Same thing with MMF USDC, and same thing with Crow USDT. The only difference is these are two non-native tokens, but Crow still is volatile. Then you have Crow USDC, which is similar to Crow USDT. Same thing with some impermanent loss that could happen due to the Crow token. Then you have two non-native tokens here, and then you have one half non-native, one half native. I'm sorry, one half native and one half non-native. Same thing with BTC Crow. Now the only low risk farm that you have right here is USDT and USDC. Only reason is because both of these are considered stable coins. You have that stable volatility, and then when you go down here, the only thing is it has the lowest APY due to the lowest risk, which is 16% APY, and that will net you about 8.14% yearly on the APR. Now, in order to, like they said, in order to achieve this APY, it's important to stake for a longer period of time because of the auto compound and maximizer effect. So like I said, if you wish to get into more riskier vaults while potentially making more money, I would invest your money here. If you want a lower risk play where you can earn more MMF tokens, you can go to farms here and stake your tokens here, harvest, and you can potentially harvest your MMF, and you can also take it to the vaults here, and if you want to, you can stake your MMF here to earn more MMF and MMO tokens. And like I said, I have a whole strategy. If you are subscribed to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, I have videos on how to do these different strategies. If you remember from this video right here, MMF and MMO vault strategy, if you look at this, I have a strategy on that. Let's see here. I have this strategy that you can see here if you ever want to go back. And I just noticed that I also have a community tab as well. Thank you guys again for the 500 subscribers, because this was the requirement in order for me to get the community tab. So I will be posting strategy images on here shortly. So with that said, this was This is a pretty short video today. I just wanted to show you the different risk, ranking the risk here in the MMO vaults. So with that said, thank you again for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Peace.